Hey guys, what's going on today? Well, I hope you're having a better day than what I am. I broke the Duramax, and I'll show you what I mean here. Let's open the door. Great, everything's fine. If I want to get in the back, I mean, I can still get in there if I reach inside to the latch you would grab inside right here, but I've managed to bust this latch. I noticed it was kind of weak whenever I bought it. It seemed like the bottom of the hinge was already broke. The top of it was not. And I made the mistake of grabbing on the bottom, and I really pulled on it for whatever reason, just trying to get in there in a hurry, and busted the hinge. But no problem. Today we're actually going to be fixing that, and I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do it. So really the whole process is actually pretty easy. All that you're going to need is a T30 star bit, which I've got here. It just came in my big old socket set over here. And you're going to need an actual door handle. Guys, I got this door handle, a replacement one, on eBay for like $7 shipped to the house. That was Amazon Prime. Crazy. From Parts and Go. Now, I'm usually an OEM guy, and that's typically whenever it comes to something that's going to affect the reliability of the truck engine-wise or transmission-wise. Now, whenever it comes to a plastic door handle, we'll go with the $7 one if it works. So, guys, if this video helps you out, I'm going to leave a link in the description to this exact part. So please consider using that link down below. It does help the channel monetarily so I can continue doing these maintenance items and continue building out this truck for you guys on these videos. But let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and set this off to the side and take my T30 bit. There's one at the top here, one at the bottom here. And we're just gonna unscrew it. Ugh. So you can see we've almost got one. He's loose. I'm just gonna set this off down here. Hopefully I don't lose it. And I'm gonna undo the second one. Ugh, that dude's tight on there. Look at that, already falling out. All right, I'm gonna set my ratchet down. See if I can do this the rest of the way. Sorry guys, kind of tough with one hand. I need a mount for my phone or something better. All right, there we go. So out comes the old handle. Let's take a look at it. What exactly did break on it? Yeah, the little latches back there you can see just finally gave out on it. So let's open the new one up. See how it looks. Yeah, actually the new one looks really good. I mean, it's the same thing. Quality-wise, it even looks the same. The spring looks about the same size. Looking at the back, I mean, for all intended purposes, it looks to be the same thing. And this one is not all faded, dusty. It's gonna look good on there. You can see latch works appropriately. This one's just completely gone. I bet it fell down in the door somewhere in there. But anyways, all we're gonna do is I'm gonna fold this sticker in on itself. I'm just gonna place it in there like so. Yep, I can feel it working in there. So now we're just gonna replace the two T30 bolts at the top and bottom. So I may set you guys down to do that. All right, so I've got both of them started anyway. Let's go ahead and finish the job. By the way, this will fit this is a 2004 Duramax, but this will really fit any of the Silverado GMC Sierras from 96 to 06. And just be sure you get the right side. I got the driver's side door latch. They make a passenger side one as well. It's just basically reversed from this. But it'll also work on the 07 Classic, only the Classic, not the newer body style. But yeah, literally it's that easy to do. So let's test it out. I can feel some resistance there, so I think, nice, works great. And it feels good quality too. I don't think this is gonna break anytime soon. Very happy, and I gotta say, good job, GM. This was a good design right here. This works really smooth, and it's really easy to replace. And for $7, man, you can't go wrong with that. So, yeah, we can just get rid of this old one. Throw it in the bed, and now we've got a nice new door handle. Very happy. All right, guys, well, that was a really simple, easy installation video. That's one of the shorter ones that we've had in a while. Very happy with how it went, though. That was nice and easy. I was a little worried. We were loading up to go to town for something whenever I busted that, and I thought, I wonder how many hours that's going to take me. But it was really a simple fix. At a later date, we got to take a look at the ABS. I think those speed sensors in there are getting dirty and corroded. That's what I'm reading online anyway. Just the ABS light coming on. So I got to figure that one out. And of course, I'll do a video on that one as well. And stay tuned, guys. We got a lot of maintenance items coming up as well. I'm going to change the oil on the truck. We're going to do the fuel filter. I got to fix something on the fuel filter as well. The water sensor, and then I'd like to eventually change out the coolant and some transmission fluid too, especially just since it's getting colder. I think it's just a good idea, and those have been really popular videos. You guys really seem to like these maintenance items and how-to videos, so we're going to start doing some of that. Guys, thanks for checking out the video. If this helped you out replacing your door handle on your truck, be sure to leave a like on the video. It's certainly appreciated, and be sure to share with your friends that may have these broken door handles to show them how $7 and 5 minutes of time will get it fixed. All right, guys, until the next video, take care.